Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to hide and unhide row and column of a worksheet. So let's start. If we want to hide this column number E, that is cost of goods sold, just select this from here and right click on hide. You see after D there is no E. We can see that the column is F, so E is gone. This is hidden. Okay, so how to unhide this? We have to select D and we have to drag through F. Okay, that is the first one before the hidden column and the last one after the hidden column. Okay, then click either F or D anywhere. uh, Right click unhide. You will see the column is back. We're doing it again. For example, we will hide column G. We'll select this, right click, hide. G is hidden. So from F to H we have dragged through this. Then uh, right click in any of the places, uh, right click, unhide. The column is back. We can do this in another way, like the after hiding we can see that this line is thin, this line is thin, but the hidden, this is a little bit thick. Okay, so put your mouse pointer here. When just look at the symbol, when this symbol appears, don't double click. When this symbol appears, it is changed than before, then double click. You will see uh, you are getting it back. I'm doing it again. uh, Column E, hide. It is hidden. When we keep our mouse pointer, we will see a particular symbol. We will see this symbol again, but you just move your pointer a little, you will see this symbol, then double click, you will see this. So use any method you are comfortable, but I personally prefer dragging technique. That is, after hide, uh, drag from D to F. Uh, Everything between this is selected. Then right click and unhide. So this is easier for me. Same thing you can do for row. For example, we are hiding row number 10 to 15. So we are dragging from row number 10 to 15, and anywhere between 10 to 15 we right click, then hide. We will see from 9. After 9 we can see row number 16, that is from 10 to 15 is hidden. So from 9 to 16, drag through 9 to 16. Every row between 9 to 16 is selected. Then from either 16 or 9, right click, unhide. You will see all the rows are back. So this is how you can hide and unhide rows and columns. Thank you very much.